Hey everybody, welcome back to Beauty with Miu. I'm going to share with you my top picks for this month. Let's go! This is the Ultimate Nourishing Rice Overnight Spa Mask. So I really like this product. So even though it is not as moisturizing as I thought it would be, I still find it really pleasant. It goes on very nice. So I like to use this sometimes in the morning actually, after I wake up and I feel like my skin is really dry after a night of sleeping. I will apply some of this in the morning just to get my skin a little more moisturized. So this is the GLYCOL Lactic Radiance Renewal Mask from Ren. The only thing that I did not like about it was the stickiness of the product, but I think it does a really great job of kind of exfoliating and giving your skin a really nice bright glow after using it. I like to use this maybe once a week. This is a little pricier, but because you use it only once a week, it doesn't go that quickly. Oops! It doesn't go that quickly, so you can use it for quite a bit of time. Product from MOLY. This is the first time that I've tried a product from them. It is the green tea, okay, I don't know if this goes first, so CHOK green tea no wash cleansing water. So I find this really refreshing. Like I just, you know, wipe off the makeup and everything with a cotton pad and I'm like,
it's so fresh and it feels so nice.
So this one removes your makeup, so you just use a cotton pad and then it says no wash. So after you use the cotton pad, you can go straight to your cleanser and then just do a cleansing on your skin. This is my first time using it and I'm very impressed with this product. I've yet to do a review on this product, but overall my initial impression is I really love it. It is a serum, so hyaluronic serum, PLUMP. So it's not a big bottle, but I mean, I've just started using it and you know, only a little bit is gone. It goes on really nicely and I actually feel like my skin is actually a little more plump after using it. I think that's pretty amazing. And Glow Recipe is supposed to be a very natural and clean brand, so I'm really excited to try more of their products. The Ordinary. So this is the first time that I have tried a product from The Ordinary. I do have another channel where I did a review on this product. I will link it below, but basically I love this product. As you can see, I've used quite a bit. I use about 2 to 3 drops each time. I use it almost actually every night. My skin is not that sensitive, so I find it okay to use it every night. This is lactic acid with hyaluronic acid. Lactic acid is 10%, so if you have sensitive skin, make sure not to apply that much at a time and not so many nights in a row. Make sure to get your skin conditioned to it and then you can use it more frequently. INNISFREE Pore Clearing Color Mask with Volcanic Clusters, Hydrating. It's actually a blue colored mask, but it is a wash-off mask, so it's not those sheet masks. You apply this, leave it on for about 10 minutes. You can actually feel it tightening up, so it's supposed to be, I guess, drying out the impurities from your pores. So once you feel that it's all tightened up, or after maybe 10 minutes has passed, then just wash it off. I felt really nice after using this. After I washed it off, my skin was not dry. It felt clean and bright. I haven't done a review on this product yet, but again, stay tuned on my channel. Please subscribe so you'll be notified when I do a detailed review on this product. I also give ratings to the product, and I'll also tell you if I would buy these products again on each review. So that's it. Those were my 6 favorite products for the month. Some of them are actually pretty new. I've just opened up and I've used it a few times and I already have my initial impression of it is that, you know, I like it or I don't like it. Stay tuned for the reviews, and that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Thanks for visiting. Bye.